Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you all are fine. You all are fine. So today I'll proceed, and this is the session for class 2nd. I'm taking subject English. Today I'm going to take lesson 4 nouns. आज मैं lesson 4 लूँगी आपका जो कि nouns है, and this is your 4th lesson in your grammar book. And in this lesson we will take common noun and proper noun. In lesson 3 also we read about nouns. हमने noun के बारे में ही पढ़ा था, बट उसमें सिर्फ आपको क्या पता चला था कि nouns क्या है? Naming words. Nouns are person, place, thing or animal. Over here you came to know the types of noun, that is common noun and proper noun. And this is our lecture 3 of lesson 4. Lesson 4 का ये lecture 3 है. In this lecture, the contents which I am taking, जो contents मैं ले रही हूँ वो क्या है? Definition, comparison of common noun and proper nouns. First of all आपको common noun और proper noun की definition बताऊंगी. Then we will compare कॉमन नाउन एंड प्रॉपर नाउन. उसके बाद हम कॉमन नाउन और प्रॉपर नाउन को कंपेयर करेंगे ताकि आप लोगों को ये क्लियर हो सके कि कॉमन नाउन और प्रॉपर नाउन एक दूसरे से अलग कैसे हैं. देन आई विल रिसाइट अ राइम एंड इन दैट राइम ऑल्सो आई विल क्लियर द डिफरेंस बिटवीन कॉमन एंड प्रॉपर नाउन. मैं आपको कॉमन नाउन और प्रॉपर नाउन का डिफरेंस क्लियर करूंगी. Then we will proceed to the exercise of this lesson. हम इस lesson की exercise करेंगे जो कि आपकी book में given है. We will recall those exercise. And then again I will recall the difference between the common noun and proper noun. Now I am showing a page of your lesson 4 in which pictures are given. Look at the pictures carefully. When you look at these pictures, you came to know, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि ये सभी पिक्चर्स किसकी हैं? Nouns की. और क्या कह सकते हैं आप? Naming words की. या तो it is a person, it can be a bird, thing, animal or place. So these are the pictures of naming words. And the space is provided in your book. You have to write the names of the pictures in the given space which is provided in your book. I will verbally tell you the name and you will write in your book. This is the picture of peacock, our national bird. किसकी पिक्चर है ये? Peacock की, मोर की. तो जहाँ स्पेस प्रोवाइड होगा आप वहां लिखेंगे पीकॉक, PEACOCK. देन अम्ब्रेला. देन द थर्ड वन इज गर्ल एंड द फोर्थ वन इज बस एंड द फिफ्थ वन इज बीच एंड द सिक्स्थ वन इज जिराफ. सो लाइक दिस you will write the name of these particular picture in the given space which is provided in your book. Now I am going to tell you the types of nouns. First of all, what is noun? We will recall what is noun. Noun, any person, place, animal or thing is a noun. कोई भी person, जगह, animal और कोई भी वस्तु, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Noun. Then I will tell you types of noun. So there are two types of noun. One is common noun and the another one is proper noun. For you, आप लोगों के लिए इतना जानना जरूरी है. So I am going to tell you common noun and proper noun. So first of all, common noun. Common nouns are names of any common people. place, animal or thing. Or you can say journal, people, journal, place, animal or thing. For example, boy, school. So these are the common things. So they come under the category of common noun. Then proper noun. Proper noun are special names of people, place and animal. For example, Tina, Taj Mahal, Bruno are the example of proper noun. Proper noun में स्पेशल नेम्स आते हैं, स्पेशल प्लेस आता है. सो लाइक स्पेशल नेम, किसी का नाम टीना, सो शी इज स्पेशल ओवर हियर. अगर मैं कहूँ गर्ल तो वो कॉमन है, कोई भी गर्ल हो सकती है. एंड इफ आई से टीना, सो टीना इज द स्पेशल नेम, आई एम कॉलिंग द स्पेशल गर्ल. इफ आई से बिल्डिंग, तो कोई भी बिल्डिंग हो सकती है. एंड इफ आई से ताजमहल, सो ताजमहल इज अ स्पेशल बिल्डिंग. So I hope you understand this. So the same thing is given in your book. Let's proceed. What is given in your book? Definition. A common noun. Names are common person, animal, place or thing like boy, girl, dog, school. So they are common. It can be any girl, any boy, any dog or it can be any school. But when we come to the proper, they are special, like Tina, Redford, Bruno. I have already given you the same example which are given in your book. So Taj Mahal is a beautiful monument. So Taj Mahal is a special building. You can see how beautiful Taj Mahal is. Rahul is playing basketball. राहुल क्या खेल रहा है? बास्केटबॉल. राहुल इज अ स्पेशल बॉय. देन क्रिसमस इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन दिसंबर. क्रिसमस इज अ फेस्टिवल एंड इट इज अ स्पेशल फेस्टिवल विच इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन द मंथ ऑफ दिसंबर. सो दिसंबर इज अ प्रॉपर मंथ, स्पेशल मंथ, एंड क्रिसमस इज अ स्पेशल फेस्टिवल. The Bible and Quran are holy books. The Bible and Quran are special books. So they are proper noun. And book is over here common noun. If you are saying any book, so it can be common. So Rahul, Taj Mahal, Christmas, December, Bible, the Quran are all special names of person, place, or things, just like we have name, place, months, books, newspaper and festivals also have their own names. Such names are called special or proper name. जिनका अपना नाम होता है, चाहे वो प्लेस है, फेस्टिवल है, बुक है, और यू कैन से मंथ है, न्यूज़पेपर है, तो ऑल कम्स इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ स्पेशल noun, special names, or you can say proper noun. Now let's show you the table which is given in your book. Common noun and proper noun. So in common noun, when we say person, it can be any person. But when we say proper noun, Mother Teresa, Ruskin Bond, Walt Disney, they all are proper, some special persons. When we say festival, it can be any festival. And when we come to proper noun, Diwali, Eid, Easter, group out. That means that हम किसी special festival की बात कर रहे हैं. When we say book, it can be any book. But when we talk about Maltida, the Arabian Nights, Panchtantra, these are some special names and these are proper nouns. Then state. State can be any, कोई भी state हो सकती है. But when we talk about the name of the state, it is proper. Goa, Kerala, Punjab, it can be Haryana also. Because all have their particular name. So they are, all are proper noun. Then monument. India Gate, Hawa Mahal, the Great Wall of China, all comes in the category of proper noun. Then pet. Pet, any common pet can be there. But if we call with the name Kitty, Brownie, Coco, so they are special, that we are calling some special pet. Then months and days, March, July, Sunday, Friday. जब हम किसी मंथ या डे का नाम लेते हैं तो हमें क्लियर हो जाता है कि वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सम स्पेशल मंथ और स्पेशल डे. So I hope you understand the difference between common and proper noun. Now let's proceed with the rhyme and I will recite that rhyme for you. Here we go, we go round and round. Everybody asking what is noun? Everybody asking what is noun? It's a person, place, or a thing. It's a person, place, or a thing. It can be a train you ride or a song you sing. It can be a train you ride or a song you sing. Dogs and schools, jewels and crowns. Dogs and schools, jewels and crowns. All are nouns, all are nouns. They are common nouns. They are common nouns. If they has a name, they are proper noun. If they doesn't have a name, they are common noun. Let's start. Everybody asking what is noun? They all are noun. They all are noun. Cookies is common. Rina is proper. Cookies is common. Rina is proper. Great Wall of China is proper noun. Kangaroo, mom and dad, all are nouns. All are nouns. All are nouns. Everybody asking what is noun? It's a person, place, animal or thing. It's a train in which you ride or a song you sing. All are nouns. Specific nouns are proper nouns, and when they are unspecific, they are common noun. If they are specific, they are proper noun. If they are unspecific, they are common noun. Candle is common. Punjab is proper. They all are noun. They all are noun. Let's break down. Let's break down. Like a person, Rohan, Tom and teacher, all are noun. If we go to place, Italy, Jew, house, they all are noun. And things are like car and dog, they all are noun. So the proper are specific with special names. Rina, Great Wall of China, they come in the proper noun. When we say dog, song or school, they are common noun. I hope you understand with the rhyme. Now let's proceed with the exercise which is given in your book. So the exercise is, read the underlined noun in each sentence. Then in the given space, write whether the underlined noun is name of person, place, animal or thing. One has been done for you. So below these are the sentences, और इस sentences में आपको nouns जो है वो लिखने हैं और आपको ये भी स्पेसिफाई करना है कि जो अंडरलाइन वर्ड है, नेमिंग वर्ड है, वो प्लेस है, पर्सन है या थिंग है या इट कैन बी एनिमल. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज डन फॉर यू, दैट इज द स्टोर इज ओपन ऑन संडे. सो यू वेरी वेल नो स्टोर इज अ प्लेस. द कार वॉज इन फ्रंट ऑफ द हाउस. सो कार इज अ थिंग. She was going to catch the ball. Ball is also a thing. Thing. Rihan is a boy. Boy is also a, what is boy? Boy is person. Now tiger is a wild animal. All of you very well know that tiger is a animal. Is an animal. I got 2 books from the library. So library is a place जहाँ से आपको books मिलती हैं और you can go and read the books. My teacher is very nice. So your teacher is a person. Then I have a pet rabbit. What is rabbit? Rabbit is a animal. Is an animal. Rabbit is an animal. I hope you understand this first question. Then we will proceed to the exercise 2, which is given in your book. Read the sentences. You have to read the sentences given below. Circle common noun and red जो आपको सर्कल करने हैं कॉमन नाउन्स जो हैं वो रेड कलर से करने हैं एंड द प्रॉपर नाउन्स विद ब्लू कलर. So you have to do like this. So I am helping you. I am writing C for common and P for proper. And you can use the colors also. आप colors भी use कर सकते हैं. Like Tina. Tina is a special name, so it is a proper noun. Dog. With her dog, Rover. Dog is common, but Rover is the name of the dog, so it is proper. Park. Park is a place, but it is common. कोई भी park हो सकता है, so you can write C, or you can circle with red color. Rover, again proper. Ball, common. Any ball it can be. Daisy, again a name, proper. Ball, again common. Ball, again common. Tina is a name, it is proper. Tina again proper, and Daisy is also a proper. I hope you understand the first part. Now we will proceed to the second one. Shikha is also a name, proper. Friend. Friend is a person, but it is common. Any friend can be there. So C for common. Shikha, again a name, proper. We go to school. School is a place, but it can be any school. So it is common. The name of the school is not given. So ये common है. Spotty, again name, proper. Toy. Dinosaur is common. He is my friend. Friend is common. Small cot. Cot क्या होती है? चारपाई. कोई भी चारपाई हो सकती है, तो it is common. I like to hug Spotty. Spotty is a name, again proper. Spotty, again proper. Now D part. New Delhi. Proper name, capital of India, so P. India is our country, so again proper P. There are many places to visit in New Delhi, proper, like Qutub Minar, proper, special place. Red Fort, proper. Jama Masjid, proper. Jantar Mantar, proper. It is a beautiful city. It is common. So I hope now you very well understand to find out proper and common nouns. Now in the next exercise, write proper noun for each of the following common nouns. आपको common nouns दिए हुए हैं, आपको proper noun लिखना है. Teacher, कोई भी teacher. And when you write the name of the teacher, तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? Proper. Like Mrs. Raj. So it is proper. School, it can be any school, and when you write West Academy senior secondary school. So it is a proper noun. Place, it can be any place, but if you write the proper place like Delhi, so it is a proper place. Now we come to B part. Write common noun for the following proper noun. Over here proper noun is given, we have to write common noun for it. July. July proper है, but क्या है ये? Month. So we will write month. India. India is proper noun, but what it is India? India is a country. Diwali. So what is Diwali? Diwali is our festival. So over here we write festival. So now from these two questions question number 2, exercise 2 which we have done, and exercise 3 A part and B part, you came to know about common and proper noun. So you have to recall all the exercise and then you came to know what is proper and common noun. Now it's the time for homework. The homework related to this particular lesson, I will assign the assignment number on EdQuark. Earlier you have done assignment number 1, and now I will provide assignment number 2, which will be on the EdQuark website, and on the very next day I will provide you the solution for the same assignment. So I hope आप लोगों को कॉमन नाउन और प्रॉपर नाउन पसंद आया होगा, and it's a request to the parents that you can subscribe this EdQuark channel, and even you can also like our lectures which you have seen, और जो भी आपको अच्छा लगे वो lecture, you can like that lecture. And if you face any problem, you can write comment also in the comment section. आप comment भी लिख सकते हैं, so that हम आगे जो हैं better lectures बना सकें. I hope बच्चों को ये lecture समझ आया होगा and it is beneficial to you. आप पेरेंट्स के लिए बेनिफिशियल हुआ होगा अपने बच्चों को ये प्रॉपर टॉपिक समझाने में, दैट इज कॉमन नाउन एंड प्रॉपर नाउन. सो आप ये लेक्चर इन बच्चों को 2 बार दिखाइए, सो दैट दे आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड नाउन्स, एंड आफ्टर दैट जस्ट शो देम दैट द असाइनमेंट so that they are able to do the assignment. Thank you. Have a good day.